Hello Leanne, Alana, and anybody else watching. This will not be a long vlog because this is like my 7th time trying to record it without coughing, and obviously it's not going to work and I'm not recording it again. So I'm going to talk quickly through the whole thing, get through the topic, then hopefully it'll sound good enough and I'll put it on YouTube. But apologies for the quality of it anyway. Last week I suggested that the theme should be our favourite punishment / challenge Charlies, and so far I think perhaps one of my favourite punishments was your punishment, Leanne. It was funny. Sorry about that. But my favourite challenge Charlie would definitely have to be the fish custard challenge. Just because it's such an interesting thing that I've never heard anyone trying before, and definitely entertaining. And my favourite punishment would be a Vlogbrothers punishment, obviously. And probably the leg waxing. Not the leg waxing, sorry, the chin waxing. Because his reaction to that was just incredibly funny. But, yeah. I apologise for the shortness of this vlog. I intend on starting up a reading channel where I read short stories soon, and also a gaming channel where I play some Flash games and rage at my failure to complete them. Okay, and I'll tell you more about that later on when I've actually recorded some of the videos for it. Goodbye.